From the makers of Our Eyes Best is a Joe Horse pentagram model light. Check online for further details about the product. The product is an LED light strip to be seen from a distance, day and night riding, IPX4 rated and more, a 300 milliamp, 40-minute charge time, 5 hours of run time. What we're going to do is unbox the product and show you what you get inside the box. In the box, pulling out from the plastic bubble wrap, is the Joe Horse light, metal, aluminum, COB with silicone, and a circuitry chip on the front. On the bottom is your USB door and on and off switch. Underneath is your USB-C port, LED indicator lights for charging and indication of working. On the back is a clip for a backpack, put on the seat post bar, and more. It rotates around 360 degrees non-stop. Inside the package will be your USB-C cable, USB-A cable, and band. You have one band that stretches around any type of diameter post and more. The USB-A to C cable measures under 1 meter. Plug into the USB-A outlet and charge. As we're going to open up the door, place in a USB-C to the port, and we're charging. A close-up look at the red to orange light indication and a blue LED, green LED inside. The dimensions of the unit is 2 inches to 3 inches of the light by 3 inches by 1/2 inch of the unit. As the unit can be clipped on to anywhere imaginable, like your shirt, your belt, your bike, post, and more. The wide angle part of the clip to the crossbar of the bottom of the seat post, simply push on, press down, lock into place like so, and rotate. Slips around to any diameter of the seat post. This is how you turn it on, by a press. The light's hooked up and easily to be seen in the daytime and nighttime anywhere imaginable. What we're going to do is hook it up to the e-bike and show you what it's all about. Hookup is as easy as 1, 2, 3. In this test, we're going to put it on the rapid flash and go for the distance. And that gives you an idea of what the LED light looks like at daytime. If you have an idea what the light looks like at daytime, and you have the idea what the light looks like at nighttime. And we're going to switch over to the 3 modes: solid, pulsating, and rapid flash. Excellent for e-bikes, e-scooters, walking, anywhere that you need to have a light. It's very easy to move off, clip onto a belt like so, and walk around safely wherever you need to be. Walking a dog, biking, rollerblading, just being seen, and have a great day. If you need to hook up to a helmet, do so as well. And then you could be safe being seen in a low-level situation anywhere imaginable. Have fun with your bike light.